Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for your constant love and your support. So let's dive right into the purpose of this video. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys one way to make one of the most potent hair growth oils. And one amazing fact is that this oil we're making today is not just good for your hair, okay? It is really great for your skin as well. So as you make the oil, you're going to be using it for both your hair and your skin whenever you feel like it. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to grate my carrots. Carrot is the first ingredient we're going to be using for this oil, and I've gone ahead to wash the carrot. I scraped it, washed it, and I am grating it, as you can see. So what are the benefits of carrots for our hair and skin? So we're going to start with the hair. So carrots contain beta carotene, and this keeps your hair soft and shiny. Carrots contain vitamin A and E, which helps stimulate hair growth and makes your roots stronger. Carrot also prevents breakage, and it makes your hair smooth, soft, and shiny. Carrot suits a flaky scalp. We all know that dandruff is caused by fungi and bacteria on the scalp. So carrot has antimicrobial properties to combat that, okay? And carrot helps with blood circulation, and it also prevents the hair from environmental damage. So the next item I'm going to be using for this is ginger, and I've gone ahead to scrape it as well. So I'm just going to give it a good rinse, then carry on with the next process. And ginger contains essential vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, all of which have the ability to nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. So for this reason, ginger has been used traditionally for fighting hair loss and promoting hair growth. Ginger is also an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent that improves the blood circulation in the scalp to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. And dandruff is one of the main culprits behind hair loss. Unhealthy scalp that causes bacterial infestation also leads to dandruff. So ginger has amazing antifungal properties that keep your scalp clean, and there have been studies that prove ginger is an effective anti-dandruff remedy. Additionally, ginger is also replete with essential fatty acids like linoleic acid that nourish the scalp and beat dryness to improve scalp health and promote hair growth. So those are some of the benefits of ginger for our hair, and I'm done grating it at this point. So I'm just going to go ahead to transfer that into my bowl, and I have with me my carrot and ginger, as you can see. And right now we're just going to go on with the next step. So moving on, the carrier oil that I'm going to be using for this amazing oil we're making today is mustard oil. And guys, this oil is very good. This oil works very well on your hair and your skin as well. So it is just perfect for the oil we're making today. Mustard oil prevents hair fall, it removes dandruff, it helps in hair growth, it has anti-aging properties, it treats cracked heels, it thickens your hair, it reduces wrinkles, it smooths facial skin, it promotes stronger hair roots, it opens the pores of your skin, and many more benefits. However, if you do not have mustard oil, then feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use almond oil, avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever oil that you have is perfectly fine. So I measured 1 cup of this oil, and I just went ahead to add it into my pan that has my carrot and ginger, and I'm gonna place it on my stove and let this fry on low to medium heat. And you're just going to keep frying this until the carrot and the ginger looks frail, it looks pale and darker than it is now. The color is not going to be vibrant anymore, and that is when you know that your oil is ready. So while you fry this, just make sure that it doesn't get burned, okay? So when you notice that the heat is getting too much, then just turn down the heat for a while and let it fry for a while, and then you turn the heat on again until you perceive that it is ready or you get your desired result. So that's how you're just going to continue until you're done. So at this point, you can see that the color of the carrot and ginger is changed. It doesn't look vibrant anymore, so it is okay right now. So I'm just going to take it off of the heat, allow it to cool down completely, and then I would strain it. So earlier we talked about some of the benefits of carrot oil for our hair, and now I'm just going to talk about some of the few benefits of carrot oil for our skin. I'll list down just a few benefits, okay? And carrot oil slows down aging, it soothes the skin, it inhibits the growth of bacteria, it protects the skin from sun damage, it regulates sebum production, and it also helps treat various skin conditions. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties might help with skin infections. Some skin conditions like eczema often have extra staphylococcus bacteria, so carrot oil helps relieve eczema by fighting it. So you can see that this oil we made today is very good for both the hair and the skin. And if you want it to have a good fragrance, then feel free to add a few essential oils to it. So this oil can be used on your hair as a pre-poo treatment. You can use it as a hot oil treatment or a sealant. So are you going to try this oil out? If you do, please give me feedback. You can use this oil on your skin as well. It is very good. It moisturizes your skin and is going to leave your skin with a natural glow, okay? So try this oil out. I hope you guys love this video. If you did love the video, please give me a thumbs up. Even if you don't leave a comment, please, leaving a thumbs up is very important. It helps my channel. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other people who might need it, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you love the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed and remain safe.